Recipes for detox diet. Are you thinking of considering a detox diet? You probably are wondering about what foods to eat and what are not allowed. Or, you may be looking for certain recipes for detox diet. Well, if the name detox really appeals to you, then it would be best if you'll try to consult with your doctor first to determine if detox diet is good or bad for you. Note that detox is not appropriate for everyone, especially the teens, pregnant, nursing mothers, and those who are affected by certain serious medical conditions like diabetes, cancer, and arthritis. However, if the result of the test yields that you are capable enough to undergo detoxification, I bet it would be best if you know certain recipes for detox diet. Yes, recipes for detox diets are available these days. You can find it either offline or online through a number of resources out there like recipe books, and of course, the internet. If you will consider the internet as your primary tool for finding recipes for detox diet, then you will be making a great decision. There are a lot of sites out there featuring a number of detox diet recipes for the dieters to consider, after all. But help you make your search as easy as possible, I have mentioned below a few recipes for detox diet. You can find the same information presented below at about.com. So if you want to find out more about these recipes for detox diet, then there's no other great move you can take than to visit the site. Here are two of the most favored recipes. Gazpacho soup recipe. Gazpacho, as you may know, is a Spanish dish. It is composed mainly of fresh veggies and is deemed perfect for summer. Ingredients: 3 cups tomatoes, seeded, diced, medium diced, 2 cups of red bell pepper, 2 cups of red onions, half a cup celery, and 2 cups of cucumber, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, a quarter cup of red wine vinegar, 2 cups of organic veggie juice, 1 teaspoon cumin and 1 pinch of cayenne. Directions: put the diced tomato, red onions, peppers, cucumber, and celery in a medium bowl altogether and mix. Divide the blend in half and put the other half in a separate bowl. Add the garlic to one of the bowls and put into blender, then add the vinegar and pulp until the blend becomes smooth. Add the veggie juice as well as the cumin and cayenne to the blender and blend. Put the puree to the diced veggies and refrigerate overnight. For best result, add the lemon and cilantro. Roasted cauliflower recipe. Ingredients: 2 bunch of cauliflower cut into florets, sea salt to taste, and a quarter cup of extra virgin olive oil. Directions: set the oven to 400 degrees and preheat. Put the cut cauliflower, salt, and olive oil in a large bowl and toss. Place in a large pan and roast for 30 minutes. Serve. The above-mentioned recipes for detox diet are deemed healthy for the dieters. They also help your system to flush out toxins.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.